Hello everyone, my name is Narendra Keswani from Vivox Software Development. So my project is on AI-based smart examination proctoring service or the system. So why I have chosen this type of project to make the life easier of professor, college students, and the college to save the time and reduce human labor. Now you have seen in the news the COVID is going on, second wave is going on, and other things, and also happens the flood-like situation or disasters happen, or any protest is going on. The first thing will be closed in the India or any other country. The examination centers or the college will be closed, school will be closed. To overcome this type of situation, I have made this type of project. The system will conduct the examination at any time, 24 hours into 7 days. So this is the main reason to make the life easier and to overcome the disasters. So now how it works? The front end will be HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript as a front end basically, and the back end will be the Flask. Flask is a Python web framework purely based on Python. To bridge the back end and the front end, we have the Ajax, asynchronous JavaScript language, which is used as a bridge, and uh, and the database will be MySQL. And for as I have made the desktop app, it is not made. It is the web app is implemented to desktop app using the web view library. It is used to convert it web app into desktop app. Thanks to firstly my third party API support, because without these APIs, my project is nothing. First is the Spear Engine, thanks because they have given me the API for to take the practical or the programming type of examination for computer science or information technology software development students, with the 20 different type of compilers and interpreters. Vonage Communication Services provide me the live monitoring of the students to the professor, and Stripe payment services used to take the money from the professor for the examination, or the for initially the 7 credit points or the 7 examination will be free to the professor as a trial. After that, the professor has to pay for 499 for 10 examination. It will be the 50 rupee approximately for one examination. So let's see what are the features of the this myproctor.ai system. First one is the authentication with image verification. Authentication will be the basic login, register, forgot password, change password, etc. All these are the basic every system have. Apart from this, we have the one login per user. This means that only one device can log in as the one user. If you try to log in from another device, it will give the as a error as already login. Why? Because it can happen. My friend is there and I am only giving as I am sitting as idle, and the paper is given by my friend. To avoid this type of the unfair means, we have the one user per login. There also the unfair means can be done by with the help of uh, you giving an exam as a different student, and the answers are told by the different student. So we will check that the user ID or the email is there is for the that particular student, verified user student. To that For that we will first verify the image of the user. It can be a student or a professor at the time of the login. After login also, the student will be re-verified at the time of image exam login. After successful face recognition and detection, then only the student will be logging into the system, or he can take the exam. What can professor can do? Firstly, for any examination system, you need a questions and answer. Without that, you can't conduct any exam. For that, using AI and NLP, natural language processing, profession can generate questions and answers in our system. There are two type of questions and answers can be generated: objective and the subjective. Firstly, professor has to give some input of the text and the type of question, objective or subject, and also to provide how many time or how many questions and answers to be required. So the system will give the questions and your teacher or the professor can print them or copy them. Now, firstly, the basic need is to create the exam. The professor will create the exam. It will specify start date, stop time, topic, and subject, and other features what are required for any examination inputs. After creating exam, professor can re-verify in the exam history navigation bar that is exam is created or properly or not. In share details of exam with student after creating exam, you need to professor has to share the details of the examination with the students, so that only can student can log in into the system automatically. It will not possible to give the details will be given. For that we need to add the students in it. Update and delete question. As the professor also is a human, the error will be possible. To avoid that, professor can recheck in view question. Then after that, if any error is that, he can update or delete that question. Anything can be possible. But update and delete question will not work at the time of the examination and after the examination. Because why? Uh, at the time of the examination, the questions are final and the students are giving that exam at time. If the professor update, it will be unfair for student, and after the exam is given, you can't change it because uh, the uh, the answers are already given by the student, and if you modify the question, then what the mean of the examination? There will be the nothing. So the update and delay will not work after and the at the time and after the examination. Professor can insert the marks of subjective and practical examination, but can't but it will not enter that marks because not enter the marks of objective, because objective marks are already uh, already calculated by the R system with the negative marking and all. Now professor can view live monitoring of the examination or the automatic monitoring of the system with the help of AI. Now, and the basic feature will be report problems, recharge, exam wallet, view FAQ, and the contact us. These are the basic every system provided. What can student know? The these four features is only sufficient because student basic needs to take only exam and check the results. So taking the examination, user will fill all the inputs given by the professor and image will be verified, and only the student can give the exam. After giving the examination, student should check the exam in the exam history whether it is as given or not. If any problem is there, he or she can report the problem to the system administrator or the professor. After that check results, the objective results are given uh, after the exam direct instantly. You don't need to publish the result, but for subjective and a practical examination, you the professor need to publish insert the marks and publish the result. Then only the student can check the results. So what are the features for examination? So this system supports three type of examination: objective, subjective, and practical. If and then now it can happen at the time of the examination, your web page is the user has the student has refreshed the web page. That for example, I am at a timer of 30. I have given the 30 minutes for the examination, and after 5 minutes, the 25 minutes are left mathematically. So I have refreshed my web page as a student. So the answers will be clean. The reset means that but timer will be not reset because it is a fault of the student. Now he or she can report to the professor or system admin for the extra time, but it will be the timer will be not be refreshed. Support for negative marking. Now I have seen many times that many institutes require negative marking for giving the wrong answer. The system will automatically calculate a negative marking scheme. If you do not want any negative marking, you should enter in zero as an input field at the time of creating exam. Randomized question. Our system initially, without or without permission of the professor, it will randomize the questions for every student because it will be make the system proper for the students for the to avoid any unfair means from the students side. Support for calculator for mathematical type of examination. I have seen for mathematical test many procoting service are not providing or examination for calculator, and mathematical type of examination we require a calculator. So calculators will be inbuilt at the time of the examination. Only the professor has to enable it at the time of creating the exam. So at the time, now the next feature is 20 types of compilers and interface for programming practical type of exam. Firstly, thanks to the Sphere engine they have given. I have not made the compilers. It is given by me the Sphere engine as a API service. So C, C++, Java, Python 3x, 3.3 version or 3.6, and the other Ruby, PHP, and the other even also for the SQL language, query languages, schema also supported. For objective type of examination, we had a single page per question with the previous button and the next button and a bookmark question. User can bookmark the question, submit the that particular question and answer. Also can review the question at the time the submission question grid will be provided. If you want to jump from one question to another, the question grid will be helpful. At the time of the examination, submission of all examination will be showed to user for confirmation. For example, you have attended 30, there are 30 questions, you have attended 25, 5 are remaining, any other things. And also, the main feature is as the exam will be over, it will, as the exam will be over, and as the student has not submitted that exam, then it will be auto submitted. And because we have to make the system more complicated for the student for to avoid unfair means. Now what the features of procoding? So using the AI and the normal programming our backend, we can do the procoding of the system of the student. Firstly, we will make the logs of Windows even whenever user changes tab or opens a new tab or any open application, the logs will be made and it will log into the MySQL database, and the professor can see in the real time at the time of the examination or after the examination, making the logs of audio frequency, what will be the voice of the user at the time of the examination, so that at every 5 seconds the voice frequency, not voice will be recorded, the voice frequency, the number will be stored in the database. Detection of mobile phone, it can happen the students can copy from mobile phone by using. So if the camera can detect any mobile phone, if the student is using that, detection of more than one person can happen at the time of examination. Your brother or sister, any friend is sitting besides you and helping you. So it camera will detect it and it will log into the system or the database. And we will take the screenshot or the image of the student at every 5 seconds. It will log into the database and it will show to the professor at time of the examination and after the examination. Basically, cut copy paste function to to make the system more complicated, it will be disabled. Taking screenshot also disable, also saving the HTML of that page also be disabled. VM detection or the virtual machine, it can you can also copy with the help of the VM detection. It was I have seen that, and and using the AnyDesk and the TeamViewer, the many users can copy from that, students particularly. These type of things are VM are known to only computer science and information technology students, not other faculty, not other type of students. To avoid this, the desktop app is created. Extra layer of the security is in the desktop app, in which the if any this type of apps are found, then that app will be not open and it will give first warning. You have to uninstall it. After uninstalling only, then will be the app will be open. In that the website will be embedded. So what are the advantages of this system? First one is the convenience. Why convenience? The students are benefited as he or she student do not have to travel to any test or exam center for appearing in exam or to college. This will save the time and time of the student. Next is fast result. As you see, the objective many times in a university, the results are going come after the verification from one person to other person and third person. It will take time to 2 3 months. To avoid that, the results will be instant, and it will given to the in the system only. Cost effective. The you don't need any extra money for that. If you conduct the offline examination, you need many things like pen, paper, and the hall ticket, and you have to need to pay to the professor also to investigate the entire process, and saving the environment and saving the time save is the default only, but the environment, we will not use any paper, it will save our trees. Disadvantages, so on dependency on internet, without internet the system will not work. You need to have internet at that time. Without internet the system has how can system work? Depends on power supply. Not power supply, and if you are using laptop or mobile phone to go into that system, you need the sufficient battery for that. Dependency of the camera and the microphone. And now I have observed in desktop apps, the old desktop app, the support of the camera is limited or not there. Microphone is there, but because camera is the main module which will take the images from the user, and the AI also work on that camera after they taking the image, and the microphone is used for audio analysis of the student. Server failure, whenever the user base is increased or many students are sitting at the same time, or the server is very busy, or the so then server failure is can be possible, because our AI will be work on the server only, so can happen. This will be the four advantage, four disadvantage, and many advantages are there. I have listed only four for now. So now we will see the demo of the project myproctor.ai robotic system. So this is the index page which gives the introduction of the about the project, mission statement, vision statement, example coding, what is provided by the system, content protection, distribution prevention, image verification. As it earlier discussed in the PPT, I am giving a glance of it. Data analytics of the exam. Admin dashboard is actually the professor dashboard. Professional review, actionable information, is the pro-coding, live pro-coding, verifying the with the first we'll take the image and etc. IT suited for university assessment providers and e-learning programs. uh, Same, the all the features are displayed, so I will not waste my time. This is our tech partners or the help of the APIs. This is a map where we are located and our contact number, email, etc. This is a good. So now, before we go, if the user is interested or any college or professor or any institute, you or she will give the name. For example, now I am entering as John only, John, and the email ID of that John will be, for example, this one. And now message can be like, I want to know any know about services. The message will be sent. It takes time. So it will give your query has been recorded. So as I am an admin, or the person with which all the emails will be received, it will come from my API. Sorry, my server, Eco Web Services. So it will give name John, query I want to about the services. As I am an admin, so I will receive the email from it. So now will be FAQ page. Every system, every system have their FAQ, frequently asked questions. So general questions, you will have to press on plus button. It will show how it will work. I will not show not all, because I don't think this is the main model for me. It is a normal module. So we will now focus on how the authentication works. So I will go into register page. First, I will fill my all the details. Now I am using email ID. For example, I am using my mother's email ID, and the name of is funny, and the password will be, I am using it as this. I am registering as the professor. So after registering, you have to click the capture the image, because at every time of the login you will be verified with the face recognition. So I am capturing image. Now I will click on register. So now OTP is given it to the send it to the registered email ID. So I will go into Gmail. So OTP is 07940. You have to enter that OTP. I'm just copy pasting it. And after now I will click on verify OTP button to verify it. So now it says thanks for you are successfully registered. As you are registered, now you should log in it in the system. So email ID was bhavna.rk76 and the password of this only. And now your type was professor. So now you will capture it. Now sign in. It will take time because it face verification model takes the time. Takes nearly 1 to 2 minutes. So now you are logging it. Now the professor name Bhavna Kiswani it has registered, and now I am logging it because I have the registered two email IDs. I do not want to show for student also it will be time consuming. Now I am logged. If you click on no, it will show cancel logout. Okay, it will not log out it. If yes, log out it. Okay, you are successfully log out. So now I am also show the forward password for lost password. I will click on it. You have to give the registered email ID, send OTP. Okay, and register email ID. If the email ID was found, then it will send a email with OTP in which you have to the new mail has arrived. Now OTP is 36960. Control C, Control V for pasting. Verifying OTP. If the OTP is now I have entered is wrong, so it will sorry. I have not copied properly. Sorry. Now I will verify the OTP. So as you see that you will enter now new password. See that the password should be shown in the same field. Otherwise it will give the error. Submit it. So now your OTP is reset. Now for example, I'm logging it again as a Bhavna Keswani only as a professor. Now this I'm now showing a demonstration of already login as we have to avoid it. So I will open in two browser for different sessions. I will click on login it. Wait for because the camera resources already in use now. We have to wait for 1 minute. So as you know it is login. So I am now going into the this. I am refilling this form. Now we refresh it. We allow one. We want camera permission as a professor. Capture image. Sign in. So now it will show already login. So if the user, any professor or student tries to re-log in it, it will give an error. It will throw an error. So now without wasting the time, first I will use my already two registered email ID. One is nader.rk10@gmail.com and at the yahoo.com as a professor and a student. So that it will be easier. Why we should re-register these things. So I'm now logging it again. We have to show the all models, so it will be time consuming. So I am now logged in this model. Sorry. Now in this model, I will log in with my student ID that is that narendra.rk110 at the yahoo.com. As a password is same. I will choose the user type student, capture image, now login, sign in. So now the dashboard is of the student is visible, in which you can see the exam history, and it is used for the firstly for the testing purpose. I will give a demonstration with results. Now first I will go into it here and log in it here as a professor. So for example, now this is a narendra.archive at the gmail.com. It is a email ID for professor. So I will click as a professor, capture image. Now click on sign in. So now we will first generate the questions as we discuss uh, in any test, any exam you require questions and answers. So we will go into search some questions, Python, Wikipedia. So we will go into this. We will copy some text, copied. Now we will enter this text into this input text field. For example, now we have to want question type as objective and number of three questions are want to generate it using NLP and AI, natural language processing. We will click on generate button. It will generate the questions. Now it will also take the time because all the things depends on the processing. Ah, so now in which you can see that the three questions are created and very I can say the questions answers are created correctly. It can happen that sometimes the questions are answers are not correct because we are depending on the system. And it will not work with the mathematical and model. It work only pure English and not with the programming types of question generating or the different types of languages like Hindi, Marathi, Hindi, or etc. So now, if you want to print it, you will simply click on the print. You will get the print option. This is the basic facilities. Everyone provided Excel, PDF. You can download it as a PDF. It is blocked. Cancel. Now, if you want to construct it as a PDF, now it is downloaded. So you can see that questions are printed. Also for Excel and copy. So I am not showing because it is a simple one. You can also search on it. For example, interpreted or ha, interpreted. Sorry, spelling was wrong. So that particular question will be shown. You are giving the Ajax, normal one, and the data table API. Now we'll go back. Now we'll construct the subjective type of questions and answers. So now the subjectives are not very not a proper one, but it work. It is a one line questions and answers, or you can see it. So what do you mean by Python? Who has created a Python or write a note on Van Rossum or the revision of the language? Not the accurate one, but the some of the questions can be created. Okay. So now we will create the exam now. Firstly, we will create the exam of objective. So in which we specify the subject that we want to ask it. exam Python. Wait. Firstly, I take which type of exam questions are available. I don't know the subject. I have the questions, but I don't know the subject. So I will go into questions. I will open the CSV. It is based on the operating system. Okay. I will close it because the resource cannot be used on multiple machines. You can also download a template from here. It is not found because it is downloaded. I have not given the proper part. Sorry to that. So now I will enter the subject as a operating system. Topic is on VM virtual machines. So I will select the start time. Firstly, I closed it all the tabs which are required. Otherwise, start date will be from 18. Also, end date will be 18. So now start time will be, for example, now 23:03 is then. We will select as 23:10. We will end the test at 23:40. The password will I am giving as ABCD randomly because this is a demo one, so I will I, so this will be the CSV we have to upload for it. How many minutes we want to allot? You can allot as 20 minutes. Negative marking, if you want negative marking, you enter as much percentage, or if you don't want, you can simply enter as a zero. So I am entering as the 25% negative marking. Enable calculator. This is actually not in the mathematical test, but as I am giving the demo, I will enable it. Type of recording service you want automatic, it will given by the AI. Live monitoring will be only live like a Gmeet or the Zoom session. I am selecting as automatic, so it will create the exam. So status queue octopus. I will copy this into the notepad because this ID is required. Yeah. Okay. So now we can view the questions. I have created many IDs, so all the IDs are listed. Status queue octopus is there, so I will enter display the questions, or you can also print them, you can check them, you can also have the pagination option, you can also search them, like you have the virtual wala virtual keyword onto modify or view on it, so that only filters it and in the that. Okay, so now update questions. Firstly we update that questions. Okay, update questions only. Now only one decide is why available. I will tell later because all the exams IDs are expired. Now this will be active ID till 23:10. New questions. Now which ID you want, which question you want to update it. So for example, I am updating question number 5. So I will click on update button. It will ask me the what you want to update. So now all the things are correct. I will modify only marks option. I did the 2 was there. I will give it 3 and on click on the update button. The update successfully. For example, the teacher wants to delete it all the questions or only one questions. Uh, he or she will be select that particular question. For example, I want 6 to be deleted or all IDs. You then you have to select all, but I do not select all because it will. I have to re-enter that all the. I have to create the exam and this is a tedious process and time consuming. So I will click on sixth and delete button. It will be deleted. You can see as the ID is
not there now. So now you can also see in the exam history. So our ID was status queue, right? So I will search on it. So operating system VM. So if you want, if I want to share that this should be shared with my student as a professor. What are the, so you in that you need to enter all the uh, email IDs at which email ID should be shared of the students. So I am entering my mom email ID and my this also email ID. I am also given my demo. So all the email IDs are entered here. So now will I click on the share now button. It will take time. 1 minute. Now emails send it successfully. So I am now checking that emails. Normally I am checking now. So now it will give you the details, exam ID, topic, and at what time, marks, negative marking, or any other things, password, etc. What are the fields? This is a normal module, common and a normal. So now other features also there, like now we will see later. This first we have to. Now I will go into as a student. I want to give an exam. Before exam rules, the common you don't minimize this and that. All Procotic cells provided. So I will begin the exam. Now in that I can't copy paste. If I pasting the control V or right clicking, I can't. So I have to enter normally by checking the spelling, status, EESQ, UV, and octopus. Octopus password I refilled. Capture image for the image verification. Login for exam. So now it will check into the system. Invalid test ID. Spelling was incorrect, I think. Sorry. Status is EQS. Sorry. Actually, I have to also show the demo of the if the user enters the test exam ID at the before of the exam, then it will not allow to go into the exam room or the exam quiz application because it will give an warning that the exam will start at this time. But now the time 23 is 10 is started. So now it is loading the entire page. So now you as you can see that the name of the student, email, and all the things are displayed, and a timer is going on. And this, as we have enabled the calculator, you can also use the calculator as 9.6 equal to 3. I'm giving a demo. This is a Procoting camera. This will send the images. So, if, for example, now I am using as a mobile to copy. So, these images will be recorded to in the system. Wait, for example, I have to call someone to give a demo of more than one person. Wait. So now I have called my brother to detect the more than one person is copying or not. So now the two faces are is now recorded in the image in the Procoting server. The Procoting system will detect the two faces and it will notify the professor in the room. So now the time is left. So I will select the one answer as I have clicked now outside. Sorry. So proper resource selection. You have answer. You can click on next. You can also go previous. You will have to submit the answer. It will mark as the green. And if you don't mark it and you press the bookmark, it will select it as yellow because you have not selected any question. I'm randomly now selecting question number 10. You can also flip the questions. Now I have to bookmark the with selected answers. So I will bookmark it. It will select it as red. These are the colors which will indicate as a flag for the student. So now I'm randomly select the answers because I also don't know the what are the answers. And the blue ones are the answers are not entered by the user. Fresh questions. I also don't know it. And also, if I changing the tab and going inside, so it will give the warning of don't try to open new window or any other application. We are monitoring you. And also, I will select now answer. What is the number of increases? I answer. Reduce the these software is directly on the host hardware. So I am leaving some answers because I want to show some other things also. For example, I will click on finish test. It will show total questions are 15. You have attempted 7 and remaining are 8. So if you want to finish it, you have to click on OK. Otherwise, you can select as cancel because it is a statistics on the at the end of the test. Every student has to give this as a confirmation. Last option for the user. So I am selecting some answers. I am skipping some questions and answers because I want to finish the test. So I have left the 4 questions. So I will now finish this type of exam. I will click on OK finish button. The exam submitted successfully. Now at the time of examination also you can monitor. Now you go into student monitoring feature. We have to select the ID. So I know the ID as status queue octopus. I will select it. Now it will show the all the students of the Gmails or the emails, email IDs of the students which were currently given that test or giving that test in this format, folder format. You have to click simply on that folder. It will open. It will give the total logs of that student. So there are 2 window logs as I showed you. You have can print that also log as a proof for the to the college or the any institute. You can also view the total logs and you can see that. So what is a put ice not from now? It can happen at not every time because I am wearing the specs and I am sitting up very at a distance of I think 1.5 foot. So now my position in head down and what was the position it will actually given by the AI. No mobile detected. Normal, normal, and the transaction time nice not found at the time. Now you can see in which the mobile phone is not detected. But in that, now at this time it will be given that the mobile phone was detected, and this will be alerted, or the professor can see that. So now the after that the status is normal. It's normal. Ah, now you can see that persons are normal. It's a detected to two persons, but it's not printed because at at no at not every time, but you have to need some constant because it is running at every 5 seconds. So all the logs are recorded and shown to the user. Oh, sorry, professor. It is also working on the Ajax real time mobile detected. So the two logs were detected, so only two logs will be shown to the professor. More than one person in order. We will try in next test. Audio monitoring. What will happen in audio monitoring? So it will give the I can say the voice or audio the at the time what time the volume or the decibels of the audio was there of the user. So if my name is Narinder, so it will show name and audio level. If it is the 1 2 3 is the okay. If it is more than 10, it will be the considered as the little disturbance. Like you can sneeze that it can human, it can have the some voice. Now there will be a possibility of the more disturbance. That is I have not recorded at time. I have not shouted or asked a question from anybody, and I will show that in some later. So this will all the entries will be there. What was the volume at time and the prediction? That little disturbance for there or normal. There is also I have the third prediction as a more disturbance, which will be considered the copy case or the unfair means. So now this was the you can say the about the procoting module. So now insert modules and insert marks and the published result will not for the objective because it is automatically calculated. So we'll now go into results. Now we will select the result status octopus the last. We will click on view results. So you can see that out of 15, Narendra Kiswani has got 7.5. You can download it Excel. I will not give every time demo. As you had seen in earlier also generate question that we have given the print of that demo, PDF of demo. So I don't think all the questions names of the students like students with marks will be displayed here, and you can also can compare who was this by clicking on it, and you can search also it the same things. Now the at the student side exam history was there, so it will can user can student can check whether the exam was given by him or not. So the exam history, yes, it is given by him, it will be the confirmation for the student. Otherwise he have to report the problem. I have given exam but it is not showing in the exam history, etc, etc. And we have to go into the result module. So we will select the exam ID as a status octopus. We have given the recent exam. We will click on show result. So it is showing that this test ID in which you have the subject and topic, you have got the 7.5 marks with the negative marking and all. Okay. Now we will see the report prompts section. For example, you have the problem in the exam. I have this problem of exam history, or I'm giving the demo, so I'm in some random text. So I will now click on sorry, report. So it will be now reported to the register. Your problem has been recorded. It will be shown to the user. So I will go into my Gmail. So it is a problem is reported. The same work like also for the professor, the name and the what is a query or your the problem type or anything. You can check in this window. Leave. So and now I will give the demo of change password. Can happen your user students can get the easily their own password and they mischief it. We will recommend it to him that every exam, not every exam, at every end of the exam session, like the semester one, semester two, to change the password, because students can share their password and any other things, but it can, but we have verified the what we say, the image of the user of the face, so it will not affect the system, but for the extra layer of security you should change the password. So it will say that your password is changed successfully. Okay, so now we will check the demo of practical examination. Now wait. First we have to check the update questions. Why it is showing no records on or note at the time of exam or after exam, you are not allowed to update and delete the questions answer, because at the time of the examination, how you can update and delete a question, it will be unfair for the students, and also after the as a students has given all the answers in at a time at the respective time of the examination, and after you can update the question or delete the question, then it will be the not the, it will be unfair for students. So to you can update or the delete the questions only at the or before the examination. It is noted for the professor. So I will now we will uh, also this is a payment module. Now it is showing your exam. Initially we get the 7 as the trial period for exam credits. For after that you need to buy 499 credits, 10 examination credit, 10 credits for 499, which we have that give the demo of the exam analytics monitor, and also so I am now paying now it as a demo. Yeah, I have used the Stripe payment gateway APM. So it will tell you to enter your email. So you have to enter the all the. This is a test visa card. So I am now inserting any randomly. Sorry, I have to enter properly. They will not allow it. Is it- Name is Narendra Kiswani. If I, for example, if I am backing that, or I am not interested in payment. It will just show the cancel on the button, but it's not showing. No, you have to, if you click on that back button. Sorry. I have not added. So it will say your payment was cancelled or any error was also occurred. It will show that this type of error, your payment was cancelled. Now you will actually payment this. Sorry. Pay, now you have to click on the pay now button. Enter your email ID, card information. Not in the India. Pay. It will process it. It will redirect to success page. It will give the message your payment was successful. Thank you. Uh, Now you can check your credits. Earlier was 8, now it will show as 18. I think. Okay. It is showing the 18 as you have given the payment, and it will become the 0. At every time you create the exam, it will become as it will decrement as the -1. So after creating that exam, your credit points are decreased state. So if it is become 0, it will not allow to create any exam. to conduct it. You need to pay for that time. So now we'll create the subjective type of examination. So now I will give us Python as subject, which is introduction to, I mean, introduction only. I have to select date and time. So now it is 23:27. 18, today is 18. So I will select the date as 18. Uh, and you have to give them time 20, sorry, 11. And now in which also I have to show the update and delete. So I will enter time as 35. It will end at um, 12:15, 12:20. Okay, not 12:20. It will be more time. 12:10. Sorry, you will have to give the password for it. You have to select it, the file. Otherwise, you can also download it. I think this will be the give the download wala. See, it is saying you have chosen to open this file. So you have to only save. So I am clicking on save now because it is able to download it. You can see in the downloads. You can check it. So I am now browsing it. I will select my CSV. You should see that the format which is given in the download template only should be there. It should not be like this is that, this is that. The exam will be not created properly and it will throw an error to you. So now I am selecting now as a live reporting, as we have to see the how the live monitoring is working. So I am selecting it, giving 20 minutes of duration of time. You can give any sorry, introduction spelling is wrong, introduction. So now I'm creating the exam. Oh, sorry. And, now I have to also show that this type of error. The end date is, the time is gone. You can't create that exam. We are now in the PM, so we have to select the PM, and in that we have to end this test at 19. So sorry for that. Also, and also it remind me to we have to show this type of demo also. Mouse file. So now click on create exam. I'm forgetting everything. Okay, I have entered everything now. Now I will click on create exam. Don't see. So now the email ID is camouflo, big name. Now I am cutting this. So now if you want to view this type of question, you have to select Comeo flag, uh, region. You have to click on view questions. You will see that the what is the question and the what are the marks. Yeah, now it is having the 10 questions, so also easy for if you want to search like different wala question, so it will search it, or you can do now for example update questions. It will now show the update, because now we have the are at the before time, na, the test will be started 23:35. So in which, for example, the first question is of 1 marks, I have to update their marks, or update to the question. I can also update the question. So the question slide for what I should update it. So I will update the marks only to 3 marks. Okay. So I will update that question, and the question will be updated within the 2 seconds. And after updating, you can also see in the exam history that earlier also I have shown you. Delete questions is working same, so I am not giving the repeated that demo. It will be the time consuming. So the I have to search the CAM wala test ID or exam ID. You can say, you can also share that with the students. Now I'm not sharing because we have already seen that type of demo. Insert marks, it will show to insert that C wala ID, but it is not showing because as the exam is not over, you can't insert the marks and also you can't publish the results. At the time after the exam is completed, then only you have to allow to insert the marks and publish the result. These are the old email IDs, sorry, old exam IDs. So it is showing that one are not showing. So now we'll go into the Chrome at the as a at the side of the student. So it will have to uh, read the rules and allow it. Okay, begin test. Okay. So now the email that was what was that exam ID MOU flag MOUFLAGED hyphen that exam IDs are now are this one. We will in future we will construct this like hexadecimal format of like a gmet 12 digit alphanumerical or alphabets wala ID. We can't copy in because it is disabled. STURGEON password is ABCD only. I will capture this image. I will log in for exam. For exam, I am trying to take the screenshot. It will say screenshots are disabled. Also, copy paste is disabled as I have sent. Also, in the time of the examination, also. So now it will give the error, give the warning that the exam is started, should be started at 35. You can't log in. You have to log in at the time of 23:35 only. So now wait, it will loading. It will take some 2 3 seconds. Sorry, not minutes. Invalid password. I think I have to see this password in exam history. MUL ID. Maybe in the small. It is a case sensitive. Sorry. My mistake. IDs can be stored, but passwords are. So I will enter this in small. Click on capture image. I will log in for the exam. Now it is 34. It should log in. I have to show the demo of the not the test cannot be started because should be started at 35. Now it will allow it. Sorry, I will show in practical confirm. So now you can see that the all the questions are loaded. Now it will not work on different page because it will. I have tried, but it will give the error. So now as it is a live monitoring wala module, so in which you have to give the permission. So I am so my screen is now it will be visible to on the professor side. I will show now only. Uh, but for as I am using only one camera, I have only one camera in my laptop. So how I should them because my project is not hosted. So I will now uh, 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 stop that camera for the usage. For going that first we have to I have to refresh this page, so I have to show the time left was 20. Now it will show 90. That only time. For example, you can see that 1980 is the time, and if I am refreshing that time, then also it is showing 1916. Why? Because the time is stored in the database and updated. So if the user press 10 times, 10 times or 100 times the refresh page, it will not affect it to him. This. So I'm now starting this live monitoring. Now I firstly I'm off the camera because I have only one camera as I've discussed you. I will now go into the teacher module, and in that I will have the live monitoring wala module in which live monitoring is available only at the time of the exam. You can't. I am not given the facility of the recording, so in future I will give it. So view live monitoring of exam. So here teacher have to give the permission. Okay, you can see that, but it is it is not showing the email. User is not showing. Ha, you can see that this user is joined now inside it. Now give the warning because we have changed the tab. Also, you can see that this is a professor now. It is live, and in that is now I am now doing one thing. I am switching my camera as a professor in the microphone, but in that I am switching on my camera here. So as you can see that this is a student, my face is visible, and now I'm going to the professor side, and professor can see me. So I it also give the AP also provide a watch in watch picture in picture facility. It is blurred because my internet connection is not proper. So now I am going into the my examination wala module, and now in which we have to uh, do that marks. Sorry, uh, give the answer. So what is the memory based? I don't know any answer, so I'm randomly write the testing is going on this type of answers. This answer I know, but Python modules are import statement. Can also, if you enter that also be recorded in the system, the database. The same answer will be reflected to the at the professor's side. So I now enter as import TensorFlow. Any example? You have to give the example only. Okay. So what's the Python part testing? Because we have to save our time in the video. User can also skip the answer if he or she does not know, but I am entering now. So I've inserted also the answers. You have seen that now. So now I will click on the finish examination. It will taking a time. I don't know why, but submit successful exam submitted. Now in which we can see in the exam history. Cam for either submit. Cam to flex surgeon IDS submitted. For results, this ID will be not visible because till the till the professor has not published the result, this ID will be not reflected in the at the student. You can see that. Okay. So now we will insert the mark. For inserting marks in here. Uh, I will off this. It's not required now. So I will actually I was using the my phone H. So now insert marks as now student has entered it all the answers, so it should be available, but it will not available because the test will end at 12:10. So we have to wait till now till that ID will be available, so I can show the demo of insert marks and publish result. till that time I will show the demo of my desktop application, which is created with the help of PyView, PyWebView API. You need to wait ideally 3.6. So now what is happening here? The all the applications which can use for the unfair means or the copying purposes, Oracle VM, VirtualBox, VMware, any desktop team, you have also know. So it will open then only whenever this application. Now this now three applications are now in my. I will not. But I'm giving the example. I have seen that students do it like that using any desktop team. The one user comes into the machine and it will give you the answer, or it will call it, or it will sitting besides you and giving the answer. So to avoid that, now will run. So as if the applications are present in my desktop, it will give me an error. It is not supported in website because website cannot access your applications. So now it will give the warning as Oracle VM which was found on. So uninstall it first, then only open that application. Now this type of warning is now I will not do uninstall because it will be the long video uninstall it and you will we have to give the demo for it. Now I am randomly entering that type of text that text which is not there in my PC, so that I can enter many type of conditions, not only this for application. Also I can say that Chrome should not be there in the machine or anything. This is an extra layer of security. Now I am saving this. Now I will run this type of this module. So now all that are not found inside it. So it will check it. Now it will open the application. You as you can see that my data. This is a completely the like a desktop app, but embedded inside the web is inside the desktop app. So you can see that all the as you seen in the inside the website same is there also. So you can also log in it because it can also access your camera. You can see that how it is extending you because the this web API provides the JavaScript support. So I'm not giving the demos same similar to it because you have seen if you want I can also show the login wala, but there is no not necessity. I don't think so. I am not giving this demo. Only I'm giving a demo of the how it is working. The same demo. Only thing is that the VM feature, VM detection and screenshot applications are detected. So I'm closing this application now, and also the I'm reading my the code because we have I have to submit it code to the in documentation. The control as save. So I'm closing this and also the Python cell. So now we have to wait for 23 to 45. So we use actually in doing this wait we can also I will show till time the demo of the practical examination. Okay, gate exam practical. For example, now if you want Python only, I am selecting. I like because my favorite language is Python only. Python topic is on variables. For example, question question can be anything. Demo on variables, or you can say mark can be. Generally, there will be the marks of 20 or 25. I am giving now 20 only. Select the start time as 18 and the closing time as 19. I'm purposely select now 70 to give a demo of you can't enter the date old date. Okay, so now the time is 11. I am selecting as not 50. I'm selecting 55 because I have to give the demo of you can't start the early early exam. Okay, so now the end time can be 12:20. Okay. It's not given 13 also. Sorry. It will work on 23. It it is on the format of not AM PM. So that's so 23:55 will be start time and the end time will be 19 and end time I will give as 20. So password will be my ABCD in capital. But this case sensitive, as it is entered as a capital, you have to enter also the capital. So I am selecting my Python 3x as a compiler. There are also many compilers are available or the interpreters of programming C, C++, Java, Kotlin, Node.js, Objective, R, SQLite also you can use it and Swift, TypeScript, etc. So I am selecting at the Python 3.3 wala version and giving the duration of 15 minutes and automatic monitoring. I am selecting, I am creating that exam. It will not create exam, it will give the error. Ah, because start time and the time must not be either. And now limitation on the practical examination is that sorry is that you can only enter one question in that system. I am selecting now 18. Uh, Password ABCD. Password should be re-enter because if a page can't store, page will not store that type of password. Okay. So I am creating this test exam. Sorry. So exam is created. This is ID, exam ID. I'm copy pasting in Notepad. Paste it. Okay. New questions. The ID was sorry. ID was obedient one. Obedient hardware. You can see that few questions. Now, what is the compiler in the ID? This is 116 reactor ID, which is stored on the database. Actually, I have to change that, but I don't think showing this 116 will be affect to the profession. So okay. So if you want to update that question, I have to update now marks. So I will select that new questions. Same things are there. I have to update same all the same things are there. Only the examination is different. So I have to update the marks as 25. So it will update in the update successfully. As you can see, the exam history you have seen earlier also. So I will select as obedient. ID was obedient. You can see you can also share it. Another you can also do other things also. Wait, give me the 1 minute. I have to connect my charger. Okay. Welcome back. So now to 2050. So I have to give the demo of give exam in which you can't begin the exam before the start of the exam or now also not there is also the demo of if now this is the uncovered Copine the IDs already I have given the exam as in 2 months before the testing of the project was on. So I will capture image, it will show the test was the exam is ended. So you can't enter you can't now give the exam because the end time was already gone. So now it will verify the image first, then it will give the error. Also give the warning, not error. So invalid test ID or it can happen the ID was not found. So I might cog here. And otherwise I have to see that which ID is idle. Charming pigeon was there. exam has ended. It is showing a message. So now I will enter the obedient wala ID. So I have to give the demo. You can't start the examination. So obedient, the ID was Edwork, double A R D, double A R D W A R. Same password. I will re-entering because case sensitive wala thing this देना, so it will give error. So I will now log in it. So now it is 3 minutes are left. So it will give me the warning of you can't start the exam early. So you can the exam start time is to this date only, 18 wala, but time is 55. So you have to wait for 2 minutes. So that time only you can start the examination. You have to wait 2 minutes. All the things will be displayed here only. So you have to like 55 wala. I will enter the all the details till that. Also I should capture the image so it will save the time. 1 minute is left, so we have to wait. But we also see the seconds. Okay. I will log in it now only. So it will be see at 2 3 seconds. So now the compiler will load. It will take time. 2 seconds only because so now compilers is loaded. As you can see that this is the default code of Python only. The Python code. You can also load this is the default code because every compiler is provided. It is powered by the Speed engine. Thanks to that them. So now if I run this type of code, for example, if running this code, the code is running, it will show execution status success. And if, for example, in code.py, I am not given colon, and I am running that type of code, so it will give the compilation error. It will also execution status will be also the compilation error. Okay, so this all the things will be stored in a database, and storing this in the database teacher can review them. Now I have to give the demo of my eyes, so uh, I will remove my specs. It will now can indicate, and I am coming closer to my camera. So now the question is then it is a disadvantage if it is question is student is sitting apart or it wearing the specs. For that we need the perfect camera to detect my eyes and say it is light eyes are blinking or not, or I am seeing at left or the right, etc. So or now I have giving a demo of the mobile. You can see that I am using the mobile. So I have not given a proper demo of the two persons are sitting apart and what will be the happen. So I will call someone, and now at this time I will give proper demo. Wait 2 minutes. So earlier it was not detected. Now you can the two faces are there in camera. So you can now we will wait for 5 seconds. So uh, uh, if the anyone is copying or anything is doing, so faces are there. So it will be shown to the professor. And it no, it will give the demo. Road to one persons are sitting. So now I will uh, remodify the code and rerun again and run it. No, now it is running. It will give the status as success and update also here. And now simply user have to select as finish examination so that the exam will be submitted. So any demo is not left. Also, the audiometrically I cannot give the demo because the I am using the headphone, these microphones, and only one resource is there. I can't give the demo. For that, we need. I have to insert any other things, any other microphone for it. Okay. So I will select finished exam. Exam successfully submitted. So exam history user should check on it. Otherwise, obedient wala answer is exam is given by the user. If it's not given, and it will not give the that any other technical or internet issue is occurred, then it will not. Okay. Now results are not showing. So now we have to wait 10 minutes for subjective insertion of the marks and 20 minutes for the insert marks of that. So as the time is not 12:30, so we'll now see the insert marks wala thing. So in with insert marks, now there we have two IDs we have created: Cameo flag question and obedient. So Cameo flag question was the subjective wala. So I will click for view and insert. It will show all the students which are there for that. So I will click on that folder. It will show all the at there was the random questions, but at the for the teachers will be in the format of the sequence only. The students are get the randomized question, not the teacher. So it will state that this is a question, this is the maximum marks the teacher can give, and this is the answer. This answer is uneditable. Teacher can't edit them. After that, teacher has to enter the marks. Okay, so if the marks are three now if you try to insert more marks, I am clicking at three. After that, you can't insert it. And if you try to insert four, you can insert. You can write here, but on the click of the button, it will give it error on the phone. It will go up and it will not showing that warning. See, I have to show that, but it will not insert that marks which are not, it will not exceed the maximum marks. Okay. So now for this answer is correct for according to me, I am entering three. Two wala I am entering as zero. For this I am entering as here also with three I am entering as three. Here I am entering as also two. Here I am entering as one. Here I am entering as zero. Here I am entering as one, zero, three, two. Either I am entering as two only. Okay. So I will insert, click on insert marks. It will not publish this mark. This is now entered into the system, only entered into the system. After that also, you will go into publish results. You will select that id which you want to publish the results. So I am enter the mark for Camellia flag wala ID. So I will insert in. I will go and it will show the marks are 15 for this particular email ID, and it will ask publish result. So are you sure? Do you want to publish this result? So you will click no. Then it will be not that published. Okay, publishing was cancelled. If you click on yes, yeah, then you can say yes, publish results. Okay. It will give the message public results public successfully. Now we will go into results wala tab of the student side into go, and we refresh that and results. We will now to select that id came of it. Now if it is now published, the id will be visible exam id, and you will click on show result wala page. Now you can see that that results are now visible. User can also print an excel. Already I have shown a demo why actually I am showing a demo again and again. It is not necessary actually. Okay, this is the marks by the my proctor AI services. Okay, so now we will go into again. I will insert the marks of now. Now if we are now the insert as the published results is there. Okay, session was sorry, this was not it. Yeah, we are in now in that we are already in login. So in this browser, Firefox is not allowed. But no, allowed now. You have to log in it there. Okay, so we will go into the insert marks. Okay, and if you see that Camala ID camouflage was not visible, because the if the results are published, you can't edit that marks. Once the results are published, if the results are not published, you can insert marks again and again as possible. Okay, so now we will go into the insert marks only. Now we will select the id as the obedient wala, that will the practical one. View and insert, we will select the student in which you can view the like that also and like that also. Select according to you. Now this was the code given by, this is the input, this is execution status, and the maximum marks is the 25. For example, now it is success and I want to give the marks as a student as 23. So I will give the marks 23, and the marks will be inserted. You can see that now we will publish the same procedure. Only thing is that this is for the subjective, and this is for the what you can say practical. Okay, so we will publish the result. Yes, publish result. Okay, page is loading. Takes time sometimes. Also, it requires internet. I am using the online APS, so it will take time. So we'll go into results. So we will select the obedient wala ID. Now it is visible. Show result. It will show the result, and you can print Excel, CSV, whatever you want. Yeah, you can search it. Okay. So this was a demo of my project. Thank you. So now I am logged out in it. Yes, log out me. Okay. This was the project. Thank you very much for watching my video.